Huku mitihani ya kitaifa ya KPSEA na KJSEA ikianza nchini kote, Kisumu ilianza kwa matumaini tele, huku wanafunzi wakisubiri kwa hamu kufanya mtihani wao. Kontena ya mtihani ilifunguliwa mapema asubuhi bila visa vyovyote vya utovu wa usalama. Zoezi hilo likishuhudiwa na maafisa wa NEC, wakuu hao wakiwa wamekariri kwamba hakuna mtu atakayeruhusiwa katika vituo hivyo vya mitihani.
And I want to say the exercise was quite good. Our directors were there in good time and I was able to arrive with the exams. My students today are really set, they are in high spirit, and I want to believe they are going to do very well. In total, I have 338 grade 6 learners going to sit for their KPSEA exams, and then we have 279 grade 9 sitting for their KJSEA exams.
Has always protected the integrity examinations, or any breach of integrity examinations have been done outside NEC. Now we have been trying to manage some of these things which are done outside NEC, and you are aware that last year, for example, for KCSE, we introduced picking the examination twice, so that we were picking what is done in the afternoon is picked in the afternoon, what is done in the morning is picked in the morning. That was an important measure because so that we limit the time for pre-examination exposure.